What's the meaning of carcinogen? Carcinogen. Carcinogen.
Carcinogen. Carcinogen. A carcinogen is any substance or agent that has the potential to cause cancer. When a person is exposed to a carcinogen, it can damage their DNA and cause mutations that lead to the development of abnormal cells which can eventually form a tumor. Different types of carcinogens include chemicals, radiation, viruses, and some forms of chronic inflammation. Due to their ability to cause cancer, exposure to carcinogens should be minimized as much as possible through proper safety measures and avoidance of known sources of exposure.